Okay. We continue on the fact. Problem of people that now, if you are doing something, you think that people will continue to be quiet like that. It is impossible. We have been here facing trouble coming to IPOB. We have so many ideas of so many issues that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was being attached to. We cut it off, separated him. Even as those going to him, we see them participating in those things. And when they come out, they tell you only do say. We keep cutting him off. What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did, the leader of IPOB, is to impose his siblings on us. Suddenly, somebody will tell you, until I hear from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, are you telling me that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is deaf? He never said anything from detention. So which one did you believe he said? So what have he said from detention? Tell me the one you have taken. So are you telling me he have not said anything before? You are waiting for him. So all these orders you said they are disobeying is not coming from him. No, we want to know. Are you telling me for 6 years now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not said anything? But what we are hearing is what he will do to DOS. We never heard what he will do to his siblings. Now, let me ask you. Do you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have right to take every decision in detention? No. There are so many insults Mazi Nnamdi Kanu detention and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu decisions have brought to this struggle. These people you see that are suspended, that gathered together, that their work is to fight IPOB leadership, was gathered by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Using Madubugu, add them in WhatsApp group. Instead of them to stay there and wait for him to come out and be agitating, they turned their weapon on DOS. Is that how to run an organization? Does Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have right to return somebody that was suspended and expelled by DOS by force? Does he don't have such right. He will wait until he's out. He don't have right to be in detention and return people to their position to be loyal to who? They are not loyal to the leadership. You want them to return, to be loyal to who? To be serving who? To be working with who? These are things you will say, wait until I come out. As if we are foolish. Or you're not present Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to attack IPOB leadership. The leadership of IPOB is greater than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the struggle structure. If you don't know, you don't use his name to attack the leadership. Only him cannot lead IPOB. And that is his backbone. Now the lawyer failed. What is he keeping? He's keeping IPOB. Who kept IPOB? IPOB leadership. Lawyers will be giving press release that implicate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but IPOB will be giving press release that separate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from 2021. Even as people was confused, is it easy for leadership to take stand and condemn Simon? It is never easy. It has never been easy. IPOB leadership, obedient to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu order, brought them to this, what they are facing today. Obeying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and suspending it at home they planned. You turned around and called them that they collected money for obeying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Tell me how somebody, a leader, will be in detention. People that are piloting the struggle will suspend people that are not doing well. He will be in detention and command them to return to their position. Where does it happen? Where does it happen? Instead of you to say, wait, when I come out, I will listen to two of you. In another new order, as if the people that are here are idiots. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu make mistake in IPOB, we are the people that defend him. We know so many mistakes. We know so many brokers that put us in danger in Biafra land. We defend it. Even at the point of seeing that thing he said is a problem to us, we defend it. So how come Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you want us to allow Nigeria to jail our struggle with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? We are here agitating. We defeated our enemy. People started composing song. Whatever Mazi Nnamdi Kanu says goes. What is that? That Madubugu, who used the name of IPOB, impersonated IPOB, who committed crime against humanity, go and they applied to a government contract, claiming that he is a member of leadership. Serious impersonation that people that have been suspended from IPOB have never committed. Nobody has ever committed such thing. Our leader on a detention after sending the document, saying make him do as in what? As what? As again? As again? I want to do order. Remove for people that are insubordinate. Remove for people that was found in criminality. People that was found using IPOB money to sponsor crime. Remove from her. You will go to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Small time you will say return them. As in what? I want to run a criminal gang here. Which authority will be in position? The evidences of somebody's crime. Somebody in no detention that has no such evidence will use the power of leadership to give order and say that you should return the person to be destroying something for us. Why can't you say, wait for me, let me come out? Why should you impose a criminal on leadership to accept? For what? And you want to do order. Now acquire rubbish. Are you telling me that leadership members don't have siblings? So they will not impose their siblings on other people that are under them. And I couldn't maybe rubbish here. You wait for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be out. Then why did he not wait until he's out before he started countering others? Don't you know that when IPOB leadership remove or suspend somebody for going against IPOB and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say return that person, it is countering order. It is countering order. You don't have such power an individual to discuss IPOB with lawyer and siblings and decide after discussing with the lawyer and siblings, you decide on it and give order. And the leadership will be there and the order will come his own into order. That is nonsense. It doesn't happen. There are things you will keep bending. You don't use authority on us now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not hand anything over to anybody. We saw everything by surprise. There was no discussion with leadership that he was traveling. Something happened to us suddenly. It's not easy for leadership to chikota. It's not easy. It's not easy. Oh, we have plan. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gabachinki siblings ya nenwege ni authority and IPOB leadership. One name said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not see it, but he will be telling you what he will do to DOS. Kebo no hunka hamere. Kebo no here. Rubbish here. We don't obey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu direct. We overlook some things, some privileges people took as right when things are right. But immediately when the issue, you will mind your right. We will not tell you that privileges are not right. We don't obey him direct unless he's on radio broadcast. When I just say what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say is final. As in what? As in what? That detention. That is jailing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with our struggle. We will now go to Sokoto, apply for visit, discuss with the director. He will not tell us that is jailing him with your struggle. Yeka people to allow our struggle to be jailed with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because we loyalty. Then what will attract government to free him? You must separate the struggle power from him. Onye no na get power, no government waiting trial 4 years. Onye no na get with information more than you. Those people that say until he's out, he don't know it is a lie. Today, people that went to people are in detention, they know people that go to robbery. The armed robber that police are looking for, those in detention knows them. I'm going 4 years. Those in detention knows their man that have been arrested in Lagos, even as he is in Enugu. The people in detention have information more than those that are outside. But they cannot act. They are powerless. You must work with somebody outside. You don't take action by yourself on your detention. And you will never have secrets. You must use third person, middleman. Therefore, you don't have secrets. You always send somebody to send somebody. So those people, IPOB leadership that are sending to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the message they return to leadership is the same thing that the lawyers and siblings are saying. It's what that don't you know that there are things that will happen in your house? Even when you come out. Don't return them so that they will not kill you. Return him, Abraham will be returned. Those in Italy will be returned. Certain confusion can. How can you work with somebody that is not ready to work with you? Leadership is saying Very simple. You know, make people impose, and they subordinate, and they regard, and they devil. And they are suspended. You know, me impose leadership to return them, not going to leader. As in what? As what? What shall run IPOB? Or what shall run IPOB? Somebody in a detention, casting now anything Okuru goes. You see, somebody goes, the leadership has information of his crime. The people that will take the message to you, people that don't want the leadership to survive, they will now go to you and they lie to you. Instead of you to say, wait, let me come out. He now force the leadership, only share the evidence of his crime. If force one hand will lead that they should accept. No one do other. As in what? The complaint about finance for how many years? Muslim can have never taken another decision to clear DOS now. On what boss says the money. Open this account or you close this one, open this one, close this one. If you don't have information, people have information. Muslim can go Mozi direct. Ozi go Mozi. You have messaged people to message somebody, leadership to message me. So if he don't come to you, he goes to people. People receive messages. People knows. He talks to people. I didn't know if we not calling you. There are decisions he should not make in detention. Okay, he claim no leader. Somebody in there may be here. Manage a new suspension until Oga Bataka Kowaria. Oga Node and I say return him. Ozurukwane Ego. Ego is under the manager care. Even the wife ain't right. Even a shop and happen manager. Even the family members ain't right to destroy some until Oga Lota. Here me with the siblings of man can hear my leadership members attack. Open a leadership member release their siblings to do the same thing. And you'll be here. In a same name, name. So the director the deaf and dump on detention when Homer and so he was in detention, remove his son on my name. On my name. Something we defended for 5 years. The next thing director gave me it was in all launch 100 men. What kind of thing is that? Something they have told Simon to launch. Or say I am 51. Then I chose 50. That one didn't work. Is it today they open Biafra radio? Here they no sabotage. We don't look anybody. I don't obey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu direct. I obey. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no one will miscontact Nayana leadership, it's not my business. Nobody can lead me direct. It is not the structure. It is not the structure. When you hear again, when you keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you shall not when you lead. Yeah, it's impossible. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not leading us through DOS, he is not leading IPOB. He cannot be IPOB leader and jump DOS. It is a structure. I want you to know structure. Yeah, structure an IPOB. All people made a leader. People make him leader. He did not make himself a leader. If he's in Namaha, why did he not make himself a leader? Why did he not make himself director of Radio Biafra? Is it not people? Why is the DOS appear in the oath? Why oath to say will be loyal to DOS and the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can only command me on radio live broadcast. He cannot lead me on message to zones from somebody. Is a lie. And a shift from leadership. It is a chain. If he will be jumping to lead us, we cannot accept it. I get push here, he must follow the channel. We are not here from ceremony. Omekata say, Nnamdi is not working with this person. I am an individual service. I am a serve in office here. Are we serving him in your office? Everybody is serving Biafrans. Both leadership member. That time we right to say I'm not working with this person. And you're a company. Are we his company? Onubionano presents something that is unpresentable. We are here all stakeholders. People stake their freedom at home. I stake my own freedom. Stake my businesses. Some people stake money. Some people stake life. Some people, their wife, their marriage, all staking. People stake many things. If you know only our leader, they neglect the structure that the government is afraid of. They present him only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you don't have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, may be leadership attack, may have blackmail, only to promote one person. Don't you know I will defend leadership against whatever you are presenting? Because the leadership is the people, not an individual. They are more powerful than an individual. Something need to here, but not carrying rubbish here. When you people started it, I want to know here. You feel that now, if you present the Nnamdi Kanu, that people will be against the IPOB leadership. It's a lie. The DOS for 5 years, separate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is enough to praise them. It's enough separating IPOB when the lawyers was busy connecting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with the crime. with the crime. Ya na-eme with history. History. Na mgbe dị otu a na onye a na ome ya uti ya ha aka n'igbu mmadụ. Anyị nwa na-eme the record. But today, ihe a na-achịkọtaziri anyị the whole people that killed us ka a na-achịkọta sị gị na achọrọ ka awụrụ one na ha nwawozi 100 men. Ndị niile egburu anyị ka a na-emezi peace. Ịhụrụ gị ebe emere ya? Why can't you guys unite with Nigeria? People that should be punished in the community war crime. Okay, we Biafra, they will be jailed. In achịkọta mụ na onye ochi. Why am I not your Am I a thief? But as siblings, men impose on people. Siblings, your barrier leadership. Nobody, anyone not to agree, because now they connected to you. Where does that happen? You cannot control your sibling and then Maya cannot. It's time by chenkete. Some people are going to claim fake love. Are you mad? If people like us are not here today, Manana Mazi Nnamdi Kanu won't you do? Oh, when he do things that he destroy something, Hana Kwaka or one you do. But we are leading people because we are here. People that will remind you the structure. People that will remind you the oath. People that love their generation. We took generational oath. Now when anybody who go against the oath. And when anybody I, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, hereby solemnly and voluntarily swear to be absolutely loyal to the leadership of indigenous people of Biafra, which is DOS, and the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, director of Radio Biafra. So, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and some people at times misuse privilege, took it as right, today, I know it's not reality. I am called to go all privileges of anybody. We now follow reality. If you want to communicate us through DOS. If you can't communicate us DOS, forget it, you are not leading us. Simple. Otan director on the push people back. Go back to chain of command. We'll push him. Now why can't you push him back to structure? To settle? You know, be a hungry can jump on a create in doors. I have here. People look at I think he removes them 10 doors. I have from year to year. We cannot condone it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and leadership members, they should be there to explain to us what happened in our land. We won't separate anybody. We won't anybody remove. Nobody, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ain't right. Yemren align who DOS members na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. How can not here? Only obla si be apo. Mona no only when he wanna defend, he wanna achieve, he protect. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say DOS come out, go out, or go when he defend, don't when he should use her. You want them to be outside. How could you go outside? They should be here. Call on him and a line. Call on him and a line here. Go to Anyanya. For what? Nobody. People who are trying to defend their line. Hambagebe. Obodo pressure in the DOS come or down. With the press release fight in Nigeria. Separate Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB. Unana katati wembu na abia limi overthrow. 5 years age press release. And I was reading one press release. Thomas Nnamdi Kanu. But I told you, the whole thing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu age toyanga. Unwen IPOB mere. Is it not something of glory? No praises, no thanking. Immobilize and the IPOB suspended. Chikota Hono, Nyamad Bugu, say how no IPOB leadership attack. Have you heard present a law for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as if ni present Nnamdi Kanu, you will push people back. Today, unu ne bakwa. Season a DOS should say something. Okono sina hani ana arose. But see 100 men to command people that are expressing their feelings. People cannot die in silence. Inya people say forth. Kono katabi me upturn. Ne present him love. Love enwegishi. Love enwegishi kono present ne memo upturn. Upturning this reality. As in what na mama here. When it was starting, they say, hey, you're attacking Onyendi, you are fighting. Imagine when the people that will dare you and say whatever they want to say. People will dare you and unveil the information with them. They will dare you and unveil it. So you don't think those people exist? If you don't engage emotion and push them back, you feel? You provoke them, they reveal what they have. They've been hiding. Because you know what's secret. Siblings of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed war crime against this struggle. On a defend there for what? Emona tundo zaka. You they made your essence. On a hukadu munea. On a hukadu ha. Open na ino am struggle na injewe. Imakwamado laga kotumashalo. I'm not kochiwari munte here. You cannot push leader. Go follow your keep. Or now jump party. She from Nka. Nka ga work at she from Nka. Because nobody he control. There's something you want to control. That is particular thing you want to control. Only obulasi be apo. If Magnum can say only Nka apo, no choice ya. Only he knows. Anybody in a sense ya, and he keen on a detention, touch your security area. Anybody no gonna sense ya, and he can support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, come on, Waku Mazi Chinasaworu. Mazi Chinasaworu happy boys in Obuda, I have also. On one, Liapaha, only Hapaha, Nabo. And you have to touch on also, they will leave the politicians. How many Hagema here? Mama camera your training. How many Hagema here? Oh no, Bula. No Catratiaka. Say, I said that's Emmanuel Hetrobudan. Only in charge of lions. Lions come out to talk at a second. I say, don't work with you in a movie. Konye Bekwan Lekota Mago. No, Domo, Onyekano, Gewa. Just personal interest. Something Nagame Unkuno do a show Budani. Umaka entered another serious oath. In Hano now die hard. Hamara, on with a serious oath Hano. Yano now, Onyene Kwetere die hard. In the whole channels of IPOB media. People defending what they believe in. It on to say, hey, GS mobilize them. Kedoina Mahezioku. Or Muanage pretty Biafra IPOB na Biafra land. Kamna magim being a move away from structure. Niuzoni Shagama was in a move from structure. Wagging on when they maintained with this structure and died. Had an opportunity to throw stone to police. But they were waiting for that. Had an opportunity to run. But they were waiting for that. As far as they died waiting for the order, Ige chere for that. I'm not going to say no snack or be a duani. Okay, follow you. Mother follow you. He can't lead me direct. He can't. And I am me an IPOB. Do you understand? No kata madu bia ihe ikpara no kata e bia with influence no onyishi no nanga e remove people onyishi no nanga say return the person God the lawyer to you or toku I ga-eche mgbe ọ pụtara gị na onye oshi arụkọwa mgbe pụtara. The leadership said they will not work with thieves, they will not work with insubordinators, they will not work with forgers like Madubugu. Each other with ndị oshi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu leader fight chere mgbe pụtara. Don't force criminals on people that does not communicate with. They don't work with criminals. People that have good image. People that maintain their image. People that love their generation. We took the generational oath. I will be loyal to leadership and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I can never jump leadership. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu obey. It's impossible. So before, I make a privilege. I happen. But he want claim all right. I want you privilege. I want right. Right now that now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu try come Igwanyoku or go through DOS. When he communicated me, he went through DOS. One makasoso analysis him name. Because you don't communicate him, I don't communicate people. Those people leadership when they send it, he had to send them. When they visit him, the same message, the same umba, the same trait, the same everything. Can the people leadership who send Rigage a lot? Lawyer for our leader on a detention, nature her right, her grant to attack leadership to insult them. The way he presented DOS, with the way the lawyers and siblings in the leadership approach, he created the grant. Somebody not very comfortable. Someone here Monday now I'm going on evangelism now. Give me a very powerful one with IPOB member. If you don't know media, come there. Come structure. Who trusted you? Somebody na Facebook IPOB structure. I have nobody have argument. They have no argument. And now jump party, allegation to allegation. You want to take over. From take over, you want to challenge you when you come out. Better hand your press release to protect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He need the press release to destroy him. Imecha nka instigate, it didn't work. On a jump, they are not obeying order. Cannot that the hang. Namadu Bugu Garoshi with our name. Oh, Garoshi with our name. It's a return. No chere. Mbe putragin on your sharukowa. I heard you as ukuru. On one year. On one suspended and expelling. It was established since. Oh, you want way by IPOB, and a woman, and not tomato, and I will sell. I only was the same ideology. I suspend out or remove Vogue. Make a spell in order freedom. And when I get mad now, when I get mad, and there's a mad punishment, only Shigao, on no Dioku. Leadership, kucha, or no from under also okay, wait, when I come out. Oga me ho game no yo wa oga ono de anyoda return him ke ba na me man ga basagara image o madu na egbu onwe egbu madu gbu onwe ya ko na image you have to follow people mindly I be na madu no na detention na mo autocracy na ndi na ta ahụ mistake ya na ebia I channel all your siblings and lawyers against the only hope I win in this safe right in Allah for 5 years. Can they be get present DOS? Their matters are in the open. Their fight is in the open. If fight, if decide to confront us Simon and their criminality one day, lawyers say me wuya. You know, Katebene present me individual. Onwe ba some individual here. Onwe ba some. Ebem neche wetozu IPOB family unit. I don't know lawyer, I don't know siblings. Also, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are lawyer nihu. Lawyer is not in the structure. Also, you form of 5,000 men. On when you do also an IPOB. You follow you quit your Morgan follow your S. Yes, we can do IPOB. He must lead us through your S. And the one you remove, honey, nigga, no here, cover him and no. We have witnessed this here. One you remove, everybody got no here. But to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do S. I can sit down. Do I here? What should I do, maybe Robodai? What should I do? She's Roshi here. Why in the Brumado? And we told you against in the one. I will not get in the natural and then the documents, the information of crimes. And I jump and I create here where you ship for what? Can't even involve. Come on in here. Oh no, 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 in a way, thank God, Nana man on our side. I'm a mini name. Monkey Chefru. I'm a Tamia from the one Gawataki Agago Toshime. And my informed na henine ndi chefum ga chetrege moto no shibi don couple no bidro if IPOB was if somebody is insubordinate I suspend there your guys your Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asia return him on here kai na ro and agba monkey post here mage kpogo ko gaza e happen post say bacherem e gaza ta mage lachi salachi nam param na post ogo we hai na agba here. Give a Mazi Nnamdi Kanu one man in the struggle. You can disobey him while he was here. He will forgive you. In his absence, if you don't caretaker, Oga, that thing him Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Yabara, he made you as they will not forgive you. Do you know what? They are to account. Privilege, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as IPOB member is not privilege you as will give to you. He's a leader. These people are caretaker. Somebody gave my account and they careful. Madam Kanka use the power of leader, made decision, made mistake, and you be daughter and cover where. But in leadership, Hachogi made the mistake. Obu no giga with their problem for their failure, they remove you. They remove Zonya or zero director, you're saying they turn that person. It means not sure that the leadership succeed here. If they remove their obstacle, their problem. It's in the turn all by force. Ashe, I got a meme here. I got a meme here. I got a name here. Ndị nọ n'ọfịs na-erenji otu ihe ga-eme, ha nye good account. Mana ihe ọ ga-eme onye good account ma ọ ga-alọta. If you name impose in subordinators. Ha bịa serve under DOS to give which result. Ka ha nyekwa which result. Thereby you are energizing people to be subordinate. If I was punished, send him stubborn. I say return them. He's the leader. Whatever he say goes. But can I worry about here? When we met with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we meet him severally. He never told us no one to do it direct. He told us now, state coordinator, put your hand in fire. If state coordinator asks you to put hand, put your hand. If fire hurt you, tie bandage on your hand. Come and show me. I will honor you for obeying me. And when boss say you will obey me direct, I obey Ikechukwu, but he said I obeyed him. And he will punish Ikechukwu for giving me wrong order that did not come from them. Or your IPOB. So somebody abia say, "What's them na? No we onye do true lawyer. I'm a lawyer. I'm a sibling." I don't know any nobody. Obu no ge she true leadership pass ozi ya zu ike. Ya ka kwuru. Ina think na chondi na blackmail. Ike na blackmail. On dem ihe na-eme. Nonsense. I want somebody and I go here ga-ekwu ka ọ ga-awu ikwu kata ọmajiji. Ọmụ ama ihe m ga-eme, mma ihe m na-eme. Ya fogodo ofu onye ama ihe m na-eme no. Enwere ga ebe hụrụ m apology na broadcast or anything. Mba no now. Somebody be careful na ihe ọ na-eme. Mere m na-aga ndị mmadụ onye m ma masị ha chere mba. I'm not like it correct. Yes, man go nke m ga-adị correct. Ịkpọ m 2 o'clock ma mara ihe m ga-asa. M agwa gị na mmanya na-egbu m. Achọ m ikwu okwu so apology. Achọghị m ya. Kọbụla m na-agwa gị ọhịa ahụ. You don't manipulate me. Ị ga-agwa m ị na-agwa total leadership nọ. Ha na-agwa m ihe m ga-ekwu na broadcast. Olee ihe ọ na-agwa m nọ ma ihe m na-eche na. That's why if I come with my own program, ihe ụnụ na-akawụ ihe m na-akọ. My own is different. Ọ ga-adị iche, ị ga-ahụ na ọ ga-adị iche. So nke otu ga-esi agwazi m ihe ahụ m na-ekwu m ga-echefu. Nekata nye m expo. Now, the whole arms of IPOB media, now I present this IPOB structure. Is there na DOS mobilize them, family writer, homochego writer, kedotun dia, DOS get turn on there against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. No way. They are defending what they know. And it may affect anybody. So, DOS, if they can control these people, when he na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with power. From detention. Okay, let him command people that are expressing their feelings to stop. Let him do it. You yourself is expecting DOS to do it. But if you 100 men, when the media are the powerful, or you control people. Control people now. Unu can never complain. Let DOS. Let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell lawyer to control people. Let him give order. So that people will stop showing their anger. Let him give order with power. Na detention. Unu try to struggle anger na detention. I thought that on got struggle. I ga na Sokoto ga feel form. Every form will now turn Nairo and na visit room. If we visit him, I am going to say, I have a high game now. What as Anya Lazega was a meeting. I wait to struggle. I ain't got you know, I won't believe. Una plan to get a thought that on Gachoka could the power of the struggle. They were Nanga. Kaya was a mugu. No, was Zemugu. I saw a shame. I got one after director. None of the power. They were here. They were here to give him glory. Because if there is no power outside, the power needed on Nanga, director is useless. Oh, when Nigeria know that the power is here, I know that jailing him is useless. I haiku. Also, our struggle cannot be in jail. Chileka Uno. I thought that on got all the struggle I can I'm very good one here. I very good one. So my plan Nigeria. Onye jidere de nanga. Here chroka struggle kuchi. Struggle I continue. Ona be kwa say na whatever he say from detention goes. Yeah, kai will struggle hand die over. Ma call the power. Kai separate from court. Immediately Nigeria disobey court order. And therefore, for trial, I separated the power. I get separate the power. So that if these people fail in court, then I will remain here. We can't put our whole egg in the same basket. Lawyer fail, I need another baraka. After I fail, Toyanga, have a drag or the power DOSG. Can return no to detention. Can to cut the power. The same lawyer will say to chapter have a large with their group and sibling. There's a drag with the power on a DOS. power on outside that is the only savior, the only fear Nigerian when a power can outside. It's okay, you read the power, hand over to Nga to make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu happy and make you happy. Makani Bonyara. And you do what I was struggle, hand over to Nga to be emotional. Can you hold that on whatever he says goes. For where? I'm not going to waiting try 4 years. He will power. Oh no, again with power. Stop claiming. Oh, where power you want it? Oh, yeah, I'm ready to work it there. Your power on the outside. It's something where I met you now. You're not going to detention. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in your detention. He was what on your raw. If you're not flexible, each and I believe. Each and I believe. Sign on a radio for 4 years for nothing. Only Haima. Only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the whole struggle, so I can't trust him. Then the man ain't useless. Hey, we trust him. He was a mad person. He was a mad person. We trust him. Why when those they know password of Radio Biafra? Why do others know the password? He trusts. I believe he trust here. He may trust with the oath. Hey, now the candidate don't trust them. I don't trust him. Yeah, I'll take the oath. He took oath. The oath is there. He's in the oath. He said, neither should Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be subordinate. Nobody is trusted. Oh, oath to our trust. Our rely is the oath. Oh, oath was our ever rely. Trust, I trust you with the oath. I don't trust. Oh, God, oath to hope. I am an inward repo. You got repo. Oath to edge. Now, I know my IPOB better could trust. Trust again. My love, we more of me love. Respect, they create a challenge for all position, whether the person is ugly or handsome or rich. Hence, the person is a coordinator. And when honor for that position. If the person do well, you can add love. Love na abia. A kekotayana position, and you can love there. And you can trust there. Trust no oath. If you don't go and when you shut, Mama, I ain't been in IPOB here. Oh, to trust I. Oh, why I trust? And they can no longer trust them. So the whole struggle, millions of people, only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sent. It will complete idiot. Kepani hina ebe eba ofonye will sent. For how many years? Now the ofonye will sent. And when you trust is it? Oh, stupid idiots. Do you understand? And I may struggle here. I know not structure. I maintain no structure. People was dying maintaining the structure. And I got a mother ask them, hey, dear, now you cannot trust them. Some of them sabotage. Yeah, jump the crate is 100 men. She said, yeah, was the ending in Eburani. Now a was a moving point. So everybody should gather. Let us join. We told you in the committee. Monday will be for a national coordinator. You get to go. My IPOB officials. I na haro kawazie. Ole kwa nishi otu mtekri. Kai ni nwe shokwe ya. Uno choka ina ha meoriko. Kai na ndi igburu anyị meoriko. The man ọ ga-turn against us. Anyị took oath. Ndị chọchara arụ ndị zọgụ n'obodo ha chọcha mebicha obodo. Ozi ndị a na-akpọbatazi na 100 men. Ọcha ndị a niile that the director asị onye ndu say return them. Hey, put them in TOS. Fana ọdị mmegwa ha that are involved in Simon Ekpema criminality and coordinators that submitted their money to Simon. Can we remove Igbo? And remove her. I understand she retire. Italy should not be touched. Unundara. I tell you, Germany should be returned. Mogagodoshi. I return Noya. Ige Cherembe put again and Doshi Aroko. Obrubua. Dio S and Han and Doshi Agariko. Nahan and Dibura Agaroko. Ndị support mande kụrụ Simon aka mande vote oria mande si go ahead minyeri ego anyị na ga-emekọ ị ga-eme anyị orikọ ị ga-eti anyị na nsogbu anyị ada iwu ala anyị ga-ada iwu ala anyị anaghị eme onye ọbụla happy abịa ime gị happy to destroy my generation. Mama na some of you jicha n'unu gwọcha ọgwụ ego. Do you love your generation? So you feel na more again with my generation like you. Some of you hate your generation. Oath I took in their absence without informing them. Nakatama turn against them. The them gonna meeting gonna na get take oath. Mande na amu be mande na amu mande amu. Ka asi na ha ni ga perish. Inokata iwere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu very deceive him to turn against the oath I took. Maka na I'm infant. You think I'm infant? then you are dreaming. Ijam build madam before. You got confirm on when ndị na-eme isi ike in truth. Imatazie na ya na agba ezigbo ara. Mad people. I whipped argument. One argument. Is I assaulted Nnamdi Kanu. So, in other man, leadership members were siblings. So, how put up your Mazi Nnamdi Kanu attack? People are who got their siblings. Not everybody can enjoy it. They insult. Any name, they are free to counter the name. Ijiri Nnamdi Kanu a blackmail leadership. The people will also attack the name Ijibia. If you don't know, you will know it. In your next life, you get that emotional blackmail beyond people. If you learn about lady flexible like you, my people can do and do. If you were telling me, hey, he's attacking them. Each and one will tell and they mad alas. Nobody will alas, none they mad the truth. Nobody could share the way history. No, when they say no to truncating of our structure. Na-eme ndị nwụrụ anwụ obiọma ịchọ mbịa ame onye dị ndụ obiọma ndị ka nwụrụ anwụ that paid ka anyị na-eme obiọma ha na otu agba anyị randụ ha na-asọ ha lụọ ọgụ asị ha mba remain resolute ugbu a leadership asịkwa gị chere asị mba na onye ndu se gịnị ọ na-ekwukwa mgbe a bịara ịgbagbu mmadụ ọ na-ekwukwa mgbe anyị gbara moto na-abụ ụmụ ahịa ọsịkwa anyị laghachi onye ndu ọsịkwa anyị laghachi Omagi oya kpọrọ mefe ha ezi arịsị ọrụ odu list ụmụ ahịa onye nwa gwara mefe ha na ndị abịago the man say ọrụ odu list ụmụ ahịa why do ọgwakwa na anyị laghachi onye ndu say or director send a message is it not our coordinator so how come is them say no lie na enyezi m order is it not our coordinator that say we should go to ụmụ ahịa anyị na-eme direct obey direct or ya na-edu anyị direct unless on a radio. So where it was I got visit here, I got I jump on DOS. No kind of oath that I, Mazi Madam Chinwachuku, hereby solemnly and voluntarily swear to be absolutely loyal to the leadership of indigenous people of Biafra and the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu director of Radio Biafra. Oh yeah, tukuru. It's some happen DOS game then they can obey no you are leader. Makane for your generation ashi. Chinam for generation mash. Anyone ever. I told this target, get one in one argument. I've been with here, something I know here. If DOS say when you remember, a man of full press release to go Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gas since 2022. A separate chaya, Aruze, when the lawyer said, Leia, with charges of 2020, 2021, 2022. Toyanga on the warrant of 2015 that was granted bail in 2017. All the charges that was in the warrant he was granted bail on disappeared, and they started using answers of 2020 or non-government of 2020. Then Vanguard publication of Onyami statement, killing of Ahmed Gulak, KG Tuesday Tonga on an old warrant of 2015. It's an amendment of charge. Now lawyer did you to initiate the hammer. Automatically, the Nigerian government hired the IPOs in Kenya. Nigeria was presenting IPO that arrested him in Lagos 2015 to overshadow the kidnapping in Kenya. Onwo ye mere argue. If I hear bene claim ne lawyer na file appeal. Appeal bu kwa ge ba hu. Ina ro lawyer. Ina ba appeal. Imano majamu chamuto madu jamu cha say na area body. Na ga-arata na bọd panebita na ụmụ ọrụ arọ na-agba gị mgbe a na-agwa gị na ị ga-aja amụ moto ịhụ ya mgbe a na-agwa gị na ị ga-aja amụ moto ọkwa isi na ya amaghị ihe ịkụkachicha dị moto sị ya wekwe panebita ama ọrụ Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkụ ịnọdụ na the ground of abeg but we are in the ground of obekotoda a point ma onye ara anyị ga-akwacha akwa dee ya obekotoda yi onye ara. A weapon that replaced Abu Accord agreement on Aburi will stand. Obey court order. Unabia truncate guya. Make we analysis. Bogidi lawyers that secure it. Make the analysis. Since then, always in your lawyer kwesiri ka happen onye discharge. Tell una ga to direct onga. It doesn't hear na be egosim na o lawyer. Lawyer bu kwa ge ba ahụ. Do you understand? Na logo ajo chandara anya ha shebe ha chimalite onye mere suspension na IPOB or mapụta onye ndị say you should stay here. You stay here, you turn all your gun on DOS. Why not you check a Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pụta? Which means in my name. So onye bịa say if fight our struggle now you will have Nnamdi Kanu. I love him, I love. Oga ma gị nwa ma aha iji bịa. People will crush you and the name. Echerezi onye nwe dị aha ma ọ pụta ka ọ gwazi anyị na ya dịrị gị. If people are confronted, there is attacking onye ndu. Ọ gwa gị ji aha onye ndu bịa attack. In Agbara, you foolish. Iji aha Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as your defense to attack individuals that did not do anything. If you don't have so he present Nnamdi Kanu, they will not talk. They will crush you and then you don't use people's image to blackmail or people as your defense. Hey, Nnamdi Kanu, he present them at hey, you are sabotaging Nnamdi Kanu. Osbonya is a lie. He said you are attacking Nnamdi Kanu. So he don't present as your defense. I have going to watch him. Who they present him? Walk. Ija Nnamdi Kanu made defense in blackmailing people. No work. People will crush you and the name he present. It's always so with the name. Camera mo yasigi will hang blog. And don't have him now. So he will kill him. Hey, he's attacking Nnamdi Kanu. Aha, he did the attack. Can him attack? Aha, he will hang. Me large. Mama, he will hang now. Only not spade ya. Only not spade ya. Is a name. You will have Nnamdi Kanu. Be not blackmail our struggle. Blackmail the leadership. Across Shaggy man hand hijibia. In your next life, you gotta be with emotional blackmail. You might know when they might here. Because if you're not deflexible, if you're not deflexible, I'm manipulating. I'm a mezbote here. I'm a quarame here. Man is boating here. Educate mon makwaya. Enokata onye no onwe na agbambe say if I say hey you want to overthrow Nnamdi Kanu, you are not obeying him, you are saboteur, you are evil. So ihe ji bịa iko onye ọnụ blackmail o wa ha Nnamdi Kanu. So ọnụ ze ha Nnamdi Kanu ogozie imbecile o mawaze jiji dawaze akụkụ iwe onye ara ọ ga crush gị mama aha ahụ iji bịa. Do you understand? Then mbozo zine ihunde mmadụ n'ọrụ onwe ha izere ha. Mgbe elochukwa na mali elu msi oga ihe a ebe unu na-aga. Ndị mmadụ agakwa spare anybody o. A result class present ugbu a na say they have mobilized the media against Nnamdi Kanu. People are defending what they know. They will reveal what they know. They will reveal what they know. No katagasim na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na lawyer, those lawyer cause the IPOB instead of his leadership. Or there is IPOB aron agba lawyer aron agba ya ono na structure. O do him now, o tojia. If the lawyer do him, o tojia kwamka o to gejide. Then I am waiting for order from ndi under oath leadership. Ka anyị niile think ya together. Lawyer bịa tim na nsogbu ya omirishi, sibling na amirishi. Because so na structure gwam knows Oga, send the message to leadership ka ha faith aya. Ka ha faith aya no to ka ha shi faith radio Biafra Biafra radio. Ase meche radio Biafra mepe Biafra radio. O chonye ndu order. Madu buge were aha DOS claim o impersonated DOS gama apply for business na Imo State government 40 million. Impersonation onye aga atunga ma Biafra bia. Onwe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu aga protect go. Idara iwu. Ibia were ha Nnamdi Kanu na protect crime e commit na akoinyo. It was ezigbo mmadụ. Onye mere forgery documents. Forgery onye ga atu ezigbo. O na ino am struggle court martial agi. Court martial agi send agi to judgment. Ara gbachie gị ntị. Imakwa ihe commit director say return oya. Return onye director ga bịa cover that contract. Owu no mere involve in such crime. Ya kọwara anyị. Oga ji power mind force criminal leadership. Oga heji ya. Oga ji power leadership leader. May impose onye ochi on leadership as onye nduse. Onye nduse gbukwu na ebe ahụ. Agma agbahicha ụlọ ntị here o. Mgbe m gwara unu elia unu tene egwuregwu. Unu na ọjị. thank God all structure ka m na da akuzi nkuzicha ya gị nọrọ na-elele ị na-elele ya na ị ga-eme gịnị? It is an idiot, a fool. You are attacking on you cannot argue me. Now, I am the present order of crossing. Present Chama Baggy Chen doing a titty Nezuzu. Coco na cage. Of course, I'm gonna go very may hammer. Yeah, I hear no nishi. Chicota, you doing on one side, Ayanaga. You got to certificate to get you go school. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Somebody in a chat not saying, okay, when I had leader, there no IPOB leadership attack. It's his idea, say, can anyone have Hijibia at aside? If you are somebody, why did you not come with your name? You present Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to blackmail leadership. It's his idea, say, can I confront only your statement? I got crush ya. Amazemo our leader nyere gị data aha gị were bịa. Ozi mgbe ọ bịara defend ihe kwuru maka that your post. Ka anyị ga-ama na ya dịrị gị. Ka anyị ga-ama na ya dịrị gị. Onye Nnamdi Kanu ya challenge gbukwa gị ebe ahụ. A challenge ya 2021 mgbe everyone ada katakata. And then press release, ya he hate a press release. He say, why DOS is talking now? But I save that they save Chazeli Gay. He say, oh, is not happy with them. Check up Bokunu Oko. Only they happy with young Ogray Bonaga. Happy Bukunu. Not happy with them. Nine or Catrahun age don't shine. I ain't cool go down Chicoton one. You say, now happy with us. Oh, when I made arrest. I am arrest. You should be happy anyhow. What top like manager IPOB. Oh, they happy. Then I got now they happy. Check about cool no, they happy. We don't want appreciation to people that fought for you. It's not gonna happen in Cuba. Kono destroy ya. Each one was going defend dying. Na la. Was only boga pata. Achachi. This DOS. People will be their sibling. People will be their sibling. They refuse to showcase their sibling. Everyone can showcase his siblings to be attacking them. People have replaced their siblings and they are fighting anything that is fighting them. It's like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bia. People are going to determine. It's better no just so large face saying name. Anybody director. Nobody is afraid. Until he comes out and returns back the glory. By distancing himself. Obro no chena the glory cannot ashe anyone they promote the glory. If we take away the glory will go away. Gakwa juefe. Oh me mistake I support oya. All police station will be in Aba should be brought down. Iya ha wezuboku. But I my haimere. Iya ha demma. But I motai shikot oya. Kwa go chwo kanko. A teacher in a danger, I defend the child. A reason why I saw you in the low tag me. On the crowd, no, you got the same autocracy. Mbono outside, all me chakra, all that are you, and I defend the child. Oh, Mrs. Steptra. Oh, maybe teacher in a danger, I defend the child. Oh, stay dog a cool down. Can I manage to go brain now? Or be the same brain, or the same mistake, the same mistake, or remove also come. The same mistake, or drop or defense, yeah. The same mistake, or defend the one way. Can you continue? Oh, one decision that was successful. Guamu, I get you rely on the same mistake until we sink. You see, my half power nanga. I will power the nanga. And Maduka reality, and Maduka realistic. Me makwai. Each and every my pampa something. Oh, poor man with integrity. Poor man with integrity, or they quite easy. Edo when you integrity. Absolute integrity, believing on what you said and keeping to it. If Methuselah, in nature, I'm the flexible. I want to have confused him. If you know I'm busy. Condi Keperima, it's an busy. Somebody like me on a site and at the struggle, I'm on this site. And when we got one nigga in your bribe, nigga him na list. There is no what how? Go take a shot on nigga in your bribe, get him. Came my hand now. Onye nke itiri obia giricha onye diri ogiricha yo hu na m wa yon gate o gawara onwe Oh, my own gate. I come and him that are here. Do you understand? Look at again what I have our leader. Better in my IPOB leadership attacks. Is them how hate Nnamdi Kanu. In our bar, my high he be my gamer. A cross shire. It was them. They're attacking our leader. Why not say we are attacking you? Ebi Shirike, he present to our leader. A candemada say, hey, attacking that. Give what you gonna hear Biogo. Give what you gonna hear Bioshi. Give what you gonna hear Biawayo. Give what you gonna hear Bibu Ora. Imabu no give one year present here. Imagi, and they don't want somebody to respond because Nija Nnamdi Kanu Pia Iboyoshi. Okay, respond to challenge Yegi Maha Hijibia. Makana Nnamdi Kanu we hijaga blackmail. Eji ahia goshi. Eji ahia gawayo. Iwere bia wayo agwagi no wo aha Nnamdi Kanu ka ijibia. Na aha hijibia. Na aga crush ya. Makana wo aha Nnamdi Kanu anyị maka ijibia. So agi nwa gada etizi. Hey, they attacking the they attacking our leader. You attacking your leader. You insulting your leader. Nlecha gị ba na achị gị. Na achị gị chere onwe ichere ị ga-eji school bịa ti ihe anyị na-eme ihe. Ị ga-edo school gị one side nwanne. Enwere ndị akpọrọ nwe natural bread. Okay, ị gaghị stand we ha na stand here. Ị gaghị stand we situation niile. Iwe nwo mind ikwu okwu. Maka na o nwere ofu condition ọ dapụta onye ọbụla dị weak. But anyị ka ga-apụta bịa kwuo okwu. N'elu ihe isi ike, control our people. Channel on ha normal. Ichere obere ihe when people are weak, in strength. Even as the news will be, all the hard, but you still have something to say. You know this. Ebe chai bebe asem na ya anywa hapụtara ihe na ya wo stakeholder. Only Nnamdi Kanu stakeholder a ga-ekwu ihe niile. Ndị nwunye ha lara wo stakeholder. Ndị egburu nwa ha, ndị egburu nwunye ụmụ ha, ndị business ha mebiri, ndị na-enwezi freedom. Awo stakeholder. Only one person is trusted. Now millions of people. It will complete Onyara. Mad people. This is me. Fearless IPOB Evangelist Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In case you don't know, Ada Mapama. Thank you. From me, from good evening. Thank you. Mad people. Thank you. Ndị kpachara arụ mebicha ha na IPOB gbara gbagacha Lagos o Darlington ha bịa na-egiri na agwa ah we are in Biafra land. Come on to shaba pụọ ịsọ. Ị ga-anọ ebe a ibiri ndụ eji ebi here. Just ebe bịa bie here na. Ke record ije ebi here ije bi na ala Igbo here. Ke record gị ke your life record ke business record. Ke start to gị ije ebi here. Chedi bi ebe a dị easy. N'eze sọsọ ndị iro. Only government. Before he had ndị mmadụ enyego gị information. Ị ga-ebi ndụ ya. A na-achụ. Come on, zuzuru shi ebe a pụọ. A na-achụ gị. Ebe na IPOB claim ọ na-ewe ohi a niile mebisicha aha gị mebie ihe niile. Ị nwere image, nwere good image na IPOB na Biafra land. Izuzu anyị apụta na asị na ị nwere good record. N'ebe anyị nọ. Ọ Nigeria na-achụ gị. Ọ ndị imechara here ndị na-achụ unu. Ndị na-agbara ọsọ ha chụwabedo unu. Anyị nọ here. Enwere ndụ ị ga-ebi ihe. A gwara anyị ya early. Ibie ya marazie na ihe na-echewu ndị iro. Ọwụ ha our people. Nwe gbasara mụ na our people. Enweghị ị ga-eche ị ga-eme m. Ebiela m nọmalụ ndụ. Ịghọtara. Mana business ma ihe niile. Ọ ihe eji ebi ihe. Then enwezi iwu a gwara anyị nna agaghịdịkwa anyị mere isolate. Anyị ị ga-edi wunye ya. Ndị mmadụ macha ndị enyi gị, machara enyi gị nwaanyị, macha ndị gị na ha na-eso aga n'ụzọ. Enweghị mụ na ha na-eso aga n'ụzọ. Enwere so many things anyị ga-agwa gị na ọtechi ebi ebe a. Third party, anyị na court ya. Onwe onye ga-asị, anyị na enyi ya nwoke na ọbịa na yad ya, ị na-abịakọ na yad mụ na gị mere gịnị? Hey, na ọkwa anyị toji struggle, ọkwa anyị niile nọ na struggle, a na-achọ enyi mụ na gị eme struggle, ịma ha ebe a kpọrọ anyị na redio Biafra. Ọ yad bụ redio Biafra. Ị na-agba ara iji abịara yad. Go na redio Biafra ma ọ gaa na meeting. Ịchọ ka anyị gwawa gị guideline eji ebi ebe a. Plus ndụ nke ị ga-ebizi mekọ ihe wit ndị mmadụ isepụlụ ọfụma ime ihe erie ihe gị. Ị na-enye ndị mmadụ aka ihe ọ bụla iji nye ndị mmadụ ịdị happy. Ị na-esetụlụ ọfụma. Onye iro chụwazie gị ama na onye iro na-achụ gị. unu bịa here kpacha arụ na na-agba ọsọ a na-achụ m onye na-achụ gị ha mad people. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, continue tagging them. Tag onye ọbụla. Anyị nwa na-agbanye ndị mmadụ ntị with the truth. Ihe m na-ekwu na ka ebi ga-ede na akwụkwọ. They tell you what to say. Kedu onye a ga-agwa ihe a niile m kwuru ebe a? Ya ụdị onye a ga-agwa m ihe a m kwuru. So ihu m ebe m na-ekwu okwu m na na-ekwu okwu ka onye a gwara agwa. Onye a na-akpọrọ na primary class 2 na primary school ya ọ ga-asa question na class 4 na primary 5 ekugoro n'elu tebụl ka m na ebe anyị na-ekwu okwu na na-agwa ihe ị na-ekwu ị na-agba ara ka onye ga-eti onwe ihe a niile m na-ekwu n'isi makwa ihe juru n'isi a ihe a stoyere here some things i chefuru na ndụ a nọcha ebe a m sapịghalịa m ewepụta esi na ọ ga-egwara m elebi ga a na-agwa m ihe a niile dị. I tell you. O dere 2 paragraph ya ọsị na onwe ihe idere. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Our people are joining. From here, it is good evening. Ngarụ ọrụ potri m zagodo nshi ọkụkọ iche na nwụ Darlington ha anyị nwa na-akọ ọrụ ugbo anyị na-eme potri anyị na-eme atụ ihe ọkwa ịghọta za nshi ọkụ bie ndị mmadụ nshi ọkụkọ free maka IPOB si ha ga-akọ ọrụ ugbo take nke ahụ my own contribution ana m ere nshi ọkụkọ asị a na-ere ere sị ọ ga-bụrụ ihe a ebe m enweghị ego m ji ebu gị ihe ị ga-akọ IPOB si akọ ihe anyị na-akọ ịkọzie ihe akọ ọma bịa naghị ego nshi ọkụkọ mgbe onye ara eweta akpa mbụ ya ọ ga-abịa buru madam bịa buru onye bịa buru ihe ọtara ihe m ga-enyenwu chere m nọ na Lagos na-asa atọrọ m ego ma people. Thank you. I studied on Radio Biafra now. Superior argument in the faculty of critical thinking. Ebe m gụrụ school. Radio Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-broadcast. Onye ọ lecturer adịghị ọtara. Onye mere unu chọọ iduhie ma agwa unu na ọwachi na amamihe anyị kpara. Ijiri anya natakwa ya ọ jụkwara ajụra Nnamdi Kanu na ga-ezo ngwa m na onwe ihe anyị kpara here. Enwe ihe anyị kpara. Gị nwa ji emotional ị gaghị abịa here bịa mebie ihe anyị kpara. Right?